Please click Start button to begin the lesson.
In this chapter, you will learn about the geoprocessing in GIS project, and particularly the spatial analysis. So the spatial analysis uses spatial information to extract new and additional meaning from the GIS data. And usually spatial analysis is carried out using a GIS application. And GIS application normally have spatial analysis tool for future statistics. For example,
use mouse over on each number to show lesson title.
After completing the lesson, you will be able to describe